So when I was doing my CS classes, मैं ये नहीं बोलूँगा कि टीचर्स बुरे थे या रिसोर्सेस अप्रोप्रिएटली अवेलेबल नहीं थे, बट हाँ मैं डेफिनेटली एक चीज़ बोलूँगा कि रिसोर्सेस इनसफिशिएंट थे। बहुत अच्छी डिटेल्ड कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव नोट्स या रिविजन बुक्स या समरी बुक्स ये हम लोग कभी सोचते ही नहीं थे एज अ स्टूडेंट। इनफैक्ट यू वुड बी वेरी वेरी सरप्राइज टू नो एक सब्जेक्ट की क्लासेस ऑलमोस्ट 45 to 50 आवर्स में उसके सारे के सारे लेक्चर्स खत्म हो जाते थे। सो फॉर एन एवरेज स्टूडेंट लाइक मी इट वाज वेरी वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू फेस द काइंड ऑफ पेपर्स व्हिच ICSI वुड सेट एट दैट टाइम। और बस यहीं पर आकर एक ज़रूरत फील हुई एक बहुत अच्छा प्लेटफॉर्म क्रिएट करने की जो स्टूडेंट्स की नीड्स को समझे और उन्हें फिजिकल एज वेल एज बहुत अच्छा क्वालिटी ऑनलाइन एजुकेशन प्रोवाइड करे। एंड दैट्स हाउ Yes Academy was born by a team of 7 teachers coming from different backgrounds. And as we always say, for us at ES, our first priority is a student and our last resort is also a student. भाइयों बहनों, my name is Vikas Vora. I'm a commerce and law graduate and a company secretary by profession. Or you can say, दिल से company secretary. आज start करते हैं. So with good amount of in-depth conceptual clarity, concepts, logics and a lot of real life examples backed with crazy amount of writing practice is something which gives an edge to my teaching. Having taught more than 20,000 students in all these years, I think the subjects I teach has become a part of my DNA. At executive level, I teach 2 subjects, company law in module 1 and securities laws and capital markets in module 2. In company law, I offer 2 main books since your module is huge. A question book which has hints to all these typical case law based questions, a case book which has comprehension of more than 400 past exam question and answers, and a revision book which actually helps a student in revising the entire subject one day before the exam. In securities laws and capital markets, I offered a main book which makes up for your entire notes and a question book which is again a comprehension of all the past exam questions which ICSI has asked. At professional level, I teach drafting in module 1, wherein I offer 2 books, one which is a colored main book and a baby book. Why do I call it a baby book? It is very small and cute, which again is a comprehension of all those typical questions which ICSI has asked in the past exams. So we do not say that we are the best, but what makes us different is the amount of love which we receive from our entire students' family. So, do you need any more reasons to be part of Yes Family? I don't think so. Welcome to Yes Family.